I think I got a new name for our tractor, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I think I'm gonna call him Timmy Tractor. What's up, Arvin? Okay. And you heard it from the mouth itself. From the there it goes. It's catching on the other part. And as long as it burns off all those leaves and little vine twiggies and stuff like that, and it's raining some kind of... Okay, people. This is after a break in the rain. Hey guys, this is after the rain. Okay, this is after the rain, and you know, it rained for a couple hours here. Kind of moderate rain, nothing too heavy. But I'm showing you what it looks like after it usually rains here. The car got washed. Thanks for that. And we're going here. I'm going to try and hide the camera. It's not really raining right now, but we do have a lot of trees that are just dripping with water. So I'm going to try to avoid that. And we're going to go to the pumpkin patch, which I told up yesterday. And I don't know if you can actually see the pumpkin patch, but we have been getting ponds of water back over here. Usually where it is. And right now it don't look pondish. I'm wondering if it was not tilled, if there would be a pond over here. But anyway, that's it right here. And you can see a little buildup of some water, but it's still on the surface, so it's not that much. And here we go. This is all wet, and you see we're getting water right here. This was all dried up yesterday. Now we're getting more water over there and right in there. Another water spot is usually right over here. Right over here. Although today it doesn't look that bad. You see there's water right there and up here. But these will be where the Fraser trees are going in this area. I'm not too sure about this area right here, but maybe the Australian pines and the Douglas fir will be going right over there. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go up and check out the garden. Okay, this is another water spot right here. Yeah, it doesn't look like much water is in there. And here is the garden. This row is where we planted our corn. Our watermelons. And right here are cucumbers. This is about 40 feet of fencing. 40 feet of fencing, and we got a cucumber on each side. Relatively spaced about 2 feet apart on each side. So, I didn't expect anything major to happen so soon. So, well, put it that way, I'm not expecting anything major. But I think that'll come out of it. I'm not walking into the garden, but we'll see. It's supposed to rain some more today too. Oh, those look good. That's looking good. What are those? Peppers? Big Bertha, yeah. Big Bertha. And those, can't really tell. You're seeing the white cups on it. What the white cups are for, they are to stop animals from chewing on the leaves and stuff like that. But I'm thinking everything's looking relatively good, okay. Yeah, everything's looking relatively alright. Might have lost a few of them. Yeah, that doesn't want to come into focus. Orange bell. Husky cherry red. Those are looking good. And this one right here, I'll get a close-up for you. And Burpee Better Boy. And there's a couple of white, yellow leaves on them, but I think I'm going to prune it and get rid of the yellow leaves. And let's go into here. For right now, I'm just checking the garden to see what it looks like after a rain. We had a pretty moderate rain today, or this morning, for the last couple of hours. So, and we do have water standing in the backyard. Usually on this hole we'd have water as well, but we've been adding dirt from where we've gotten from other places. And it usually, all this area in here usually gets wet from that. From right there. And right here are our plants. Let me get a close-up on it. It doesn't have any leaves on it, but that's how it was sold. So we got that one. And we got this one. Those two came from Walmart. And a 2-pack. Okay. And then we got these. These are looking alright. These are our blueberry bushes. Well, we got that one. Yeah, those are our blueberries. And we got standing water right in here. Right in here. Maybe we'll have to figure out something how to drain them elsewhere. Okay. Usually in this area, right there, it's brown, but there's no water on it. You usually get water over here. I don't think it rained that much. We only got maybe a half an inch or so. Now we get water over here, which it was starting to puddle up right in here. And right there we get some water. That AT&T said they'd come back to fix this 10 days after they dug it up. Or not dug it up, but after they set it up. And it's still here. I'm going to call AT&T, tell them, hey, you need to get a better spot for it. But right here usually gets a pretty good amount of water. Right here and all in here usually gets a pretty good amount of water. It might be raining a bit more. Actually, I think it is. So I'm gonna shut it up for now and go on in. Alright. See, we got a pond right here. It's supposed to be where our tree line is. But let me show you up here. This is after about 2 inches of rain. We got some down spots. Yeah, a couple of trees like there, but hopefully when the sun comes out, all this water will dry up, or a lot of it. Coming over here. Now a good thing about this is this water is running. So I'm hoping all this work will kind of pay off. Yeah, trying to find a. Okay, let me get a close up. There's some running water right here. So you can see that water running. So it's all running down there. So hopefully it kind of drained it pretty well. We got some trees. I'm thinking they're loving the water. Loving the water, but then you get up here and they're kind of, the water is running a little bit up here. All that seems to be running in here and then all the way down there. So let's go ahead. Look at the pumpkin patch. Yeah, we got, yeah. As you can see there, all that water is running out. You can see kind of the line right there. It's wanting to run out, so hopefully that won't be too much. If anything, we'll go ahead and dig like a little ditch from there all the way to the pond, and maybe get this pond out of here. I'd say that this is a pond, that is a creek. I meant it was running down to the creek. And now what we're doing, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the pumpkin patch. Let's see how that's doing. And this is a break in the rain. We just got probably at least 2 inches of rain. Let's see here, we got more water there. Maybe 3 inches of rain. Alright. This is the pumpkin patch that I had tilled up. Or that I tilled up. We see a lot of standing water over there. And a lot of standing water.
Take 2 weeks before you can get in there again, if we don't get any more rain.
Yeah, this is about 2 weeks away from being able to till or anything up in here again. So, but
It's a shame. I'm so close.
alright,
And you gotta raise,
here is the other side,
you gotta raise the swamp.
and we're gonna be draining the swamp here, I guess. Yep, more rain. Now just spatter.
I don't think we'll be going through here for a while.
Yeah, here's where I usually go back with the tractor, and it's got, you know, it's pretty wet here. But we're gonna figure out a way to get the water out of here. And it's not looking too well. It's not looking too good. Anybody want to go mud bogging? And that would be, we'll get it, we'll figure it out. We'll get all the water out of here. All the standing water. Okay, and here is our lot. You can see our of them sloshing around in the rain puddles. I am not jumping in the puddle. I leave that for the kids. And it's raining again. Let's go in. Hey, I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, it is really coming down now. We're gonna get about 15 minutes, and we're gonna get about an inch. If this keeps on, we're gonna get about an inch every 15 minutes. So, well, as you can see, the pumpkin patch right there. That's flat. Here comes the wind, too. There's no wind outside. Good thing we're inside.